Kauai. The oldest and northernmost island of the main Hawaiian Islands is also known as the Garden Isle. It's easy to understand why as soon as you take a look at its lush jungles, pristine beaches, and exquisite coastlines. We've just landed in Lihue, and our first stop? Lunch. Hey guys, what's up? We just landed here in Lihue, and a friend recommended a place to come and have some lunch. And so here we are at a place called Hamura Simon Stand, and we're gonna go check it out. Once our stomachs were full, we set out to spend the afternoon in search of waterfalls. Hey, what's up everybody? We just drove about 4 miles on this tiny little 2-lane highway. Here, can you see? I mean, we're talking, it's pretty tight there. And well, we're here, and we're gonna go check out Wailua Falls. Let's go. Oh man, I just stepped out of the car, and already I can hear the roaring sound of the falls. Let's go check this out. Wailua Falls is fed by the Wailua River, which is Kauai's longest river, and it's also the 3rd longest river in all of Hawaii. Here at the falls, water plummets 200 feet to the pool below. After seeing one waterfall, we were hungry for more, so we set out to find another one. And while Wailua Falls was everything I imagined a Hawaiian waterfall would be, this next one was nothing like I expected. Hey guys, well here we are today on our second waterfall of the day, and here we are at Kaua'i Falls, and here you can see it right over there behind me. A few days later, I learned that the proper way to pronounce this waterfall is Opaika Falls. It's 151 feet tall and 40 feet wide. Here you can see water flowing over the basalt from ancient volcanic eruptions. While other waterfalls may burst over a cliffside in epic fashion, I found myself captivated by the way the water seemed to bubble up out of the rock and cascade down so peacefully. Opaika Falls was definitely a hidden gem for me on this trip. After a long day of traveling and chasing waterfalls, we decided to call it good and head down to the beach to watch the sunset. Day 1, done. Aloha, good morning. We're up this morning, got up at 6 a.m. and we're getting ready to go out to Kipu Ranch and do some zip lining today. I expect it to be pretty exciting. We got about 4 zip lines, and one of which we're going to be diving into a pond, and another one is like 3/4 of a mile long. It's supposed to be the longest line on the island, so I'm pretty stoked about that. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys. Got up this morning, and the weather's still nice, nothing bad or dangerous, but definitely you can tell that Hurricane Hector is throwing a little bit of weather our way. Definitely some swells out there that weren't there last year, and just thought I'd show you guys here and take a look. climbing during Hurricane Hector. This one's 1,800 feet. All right, you ready? Let's do this.
Back to the start, are you? Want to try to do it twice?
Not with all that rain. That's a little pelty.
Did it get you?
Sunglasses were saving me, yeah.
Hands on this ladder in front of you. You don't have to place your weight too.
Oh my gosh, that was incredible.